Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the Walgreens must-do deals for next week. There's quite a few great deals and a booster in the Walgreens ad again that everyone can use. I love when they do that because that way some accounts don't get it and some accounts don't. Every single person can take advantage of this. There is a digital version, so of course I will have a scenario for you at the end, as well as some tips to make sure that your transaction goes as smooth as possible. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. The two gift card winners that I announced never reached out to me, so instead of choosing another one from the previous list, I'm just going to redo that giveaway. That's why it's so important to have that notification bell clicked. I feel so bad when I choose a winner and they don't get the notification and then they never reach out and they're missing out on a $10 gift card. So we're going to redo the giveaway in this video. So stay tuned for how to enter. I will have that information later on in the video. So let's go ahead and dive right into the great deals we can do at Walgreens next week. So this is the booster for everyone. I tried to blow it up, but it's a little blurry. What it is when you spend $20 or more in-store or at walgreens.com, so it does work online as well, you're going to get 10 times everyday points. So a couple tips on this. So every item now typically would be 10 points. It's now going to be 100 points. So if you do spend $20, you're going to get back 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. You can spend more than $20. So if you do 25, 30, 40, whatever that you spend, you will get the 10 times everyday points on the entire balance. It is $20 before coupons. You can pay with points. And there is a digital version available as well. So make sure you clip that, send it to your card. That way you don't have to worry about remembering to grab an ad and have them scan it. As well, it must be $20 or more after IVC coupons. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Walgreens, IVC coupons are Walgreens store coupons. They come in the Walgreens Book of Savings. There are digital versions as well. So any coupon that you see in your coupon folder that says with card, that is going to be a Walgreens coupon. So everyone can take advantage of this. So I'm really excited about that. It is only for next week. Typically it is a limit of one. It says limit one store-wide coupon redeemed per transaction. So you should be able to do it each time in different transactions. I'm not quite sure how that's going to go, so I will let you guys know on Monday. We have all laundry detergent and Snuggle laundry care for $2.88. So Walgreens is going to be the cheapest place to take advantage of this deal. CVS is on sale for $2.99. So you're saving an additional 11 cents doing it at Walgreens. Then we get a $1 coupon from the $4.19 Retail Me Not insert. We are expecting to get 2 inserts on Sunday. I did post the coupon insert preview video, so I will have that linked in the description box and at the end of the video. So make sure you check it out, see what kind of coupons we are going to be getting on Sunday, and if it's worth it for you to buy a newspaper. So final cost for this deal is going to be just $1.88. There is no limit on this as well. Obviously, just use your discretion. Some stores are putting limits on laundry products from the COVID-19. I think it's like 1 or 2. It just depends on your store. So those would be the limits in place. Typically, these kind of deals at Walgreens don't have a limit. The nice storage bags are on sale again. Buy one, get 2 free. So no coupons or anything needed. All you have to do is have a Walgreens Rewards account. When you type in your phone number at checkout, this price point will come up. So final cost is just 93 cents each. I know this deal happens quite often, but I always like to share it with you guys. I do get a lot of new couponers and new subscribers to my channel every day. So this is a great deal to do at Walgreens. I use these myself and I think they're a really good quality, especially the freezer bags. The zippers are really nice. So I've used quite a few of the different sizes and varieties and I really like them personally. Colgate, this is a nice freebie that anyone can do. Hopefully we'll get a digital. Usually we do for the Crest and the Colgate at Walgreens. The deal is when you buy two, you're going to get a $5 register reward, and they're all on sale for $2.99. It does say select varieties, so hopefully your store is tagged. Just check which ones are tagged, or you can always scan it with the Walgreens app and then the deal should pop up. So what you're going to do is buy two of the toothpaste. Use two of the 50-cent coupons we have coming in the $4.19 Smart Source insert. If we have a digital, of course, you can use one of each, or you can print some coupons from Colgate.com, and that would make it a small moneymaker for you. So doing the deal this way, you'll pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back that $5 register reward, so final cost is completely free. Another great deal this week on Rimmel. So the current week is a really good deal going on, and next week. So the IVC coupon does expire next week, so the 25th. We are going to be then getting a new Walgreens book of savings for the month of May. So any deal that you wanted to take advantage of using those coupons, just like this one, there is a $4 off to Walgreens IVC coupon. So you want to make sure you're taking advantage of those final deals either this week or next week. That will be the last chance. So one deal that I put together, I need some more eyeliner. I like using brown. I just think black on me just looks way too, I don't know, just way too much for me. So I need to buy more brown. I have a ton of black and gray. I'm not sure why I didn't just buy brown, but I want to pick up some more. There are some cheaper versions. If you buy two of the Scandalized mascara, of course, that'll save you an additional 29 cents. But it's up to you. Make sure you guys are mix and matching the products based on what you guys need and of course what you use. So the Exaggerate eyeliner is $6.29 and the Scandalized mascara is $5.99. Pricing per store can vary. These are the prices that I pulled offline. The total is going to be $12.28. I have a $3.50 off one Rimmel Eye digital coupon from a long time ago. We are going to be getting a $2 digital on Sunday. So if you don't have the $3.50, you can always use the $2 digital. Make sure you clip that coupon. Some of these makeup coupons, the digital ones, they have an expiration date for like July. So it's always good to clip them, and you never know when there's going to be a great deal that you can use them. We're also getting a $2 Rimmel Eye coupon. We had one from the $3.29 Smart Source that doesn't expire until May. So another great time to use that before it expires. Then you're going to use the 4 off of 2 Walgreens IVC coupon. There is a digital version, or you can find it in that book. You'll pay $2.78 for both, or just $1.39 each. So definitely a great deal for some pretty good makeup. Secret and Old Spice deodorant is going to be back again. So these coupons that I'm letting you know about are the same coupons that I put for the deals this week. I don't think we're getting new coupons. So just keep that in mind. If you've already done this deal, there are not new coupons, digitals, to do for the deal next week. So they're on sale two for $10. So what you would do is pick up 2 of each, because we have a 4 off of 2 Old Spice digital for the men's deodorant, and a 4 off of 2 Secret digital coupon. You're going to pay $12 out of pocket, get back 4,000 points. Final cost is going to be $8 for all 4 deodorants, or just $2 each, which is an amazing deal. Regular price at Walgreens, they're $6.49 each. I did check the Old Spice. It does not work with the Ibotta Rebate. The Ibotta Rebate is on the Ultra Smooth, and those are not included in this deal. Those are regular priced $6.99 at Walgreens. So if you are looking to do the deodorant deal, this could always be a great thing to do in one transaction. For the spend 20, get 10 times everyday points, because you're going to be right at that $20 mark. There's no IVC coupons or anything that you have to worry about. The $8 in digitals will come off. You'll pay $12, get back 4,000 points for the deal, and 2,000 points for the the everyday point booster. So then your final cost is going to be $6 for 4, which is a really great deal. This is a bonus deal, and the reason why it's a bonus deal, I know some states, the Walgreens, don't carry wines and champagne, but some do. Mine in my region does, so I still wanted to share this deal with you in case your stores do offer wine. The Barefoot is going to be on sale. This is the 750 milliliter. They're on sale $5.99. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 savings reward. I've done these deals in the past. The savings reward is pretty much a register reward. It prints out at the Catalina. So if you are wanting to do this deal, make sure you ask them before you get started if the register that they're working at, if the Catalina is working. Sometimes one register it's working, one register it's not. So the store that I go to, they know I do a lot of couponing, and they'll let me know, hey, my Catalina machine's not working here, and they'll go log in to another computer for me. So you can always ask them that. Final cost for this deal is going to be $6.98 for both, or $3.49 each. Okay, so now it's time to enter the giveaway again to get a $10 gift card. This gift card can be to wherever you would like, CVS, Walgreens, you can do Amazon, Walmart, you name it. You can choose that. If you guys are the winner, when you shoot me an email, let me know which one you're wanting. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure, of course, you are a subscriber. If not, go ahead and hit subscribe now. And don't forget that notification bell. That way, when I post my new videos, especially the one where I'm going to be announcing the winner, you guys will be notified and you can double check, see if you are the lucky winner. Then drop a comment for me below. Let me know what the one thing is that you've really enjoyed while being at home more often. Whether it's spending additional time with family, being able to cook more. I really enjoyed being able to do a lot of home renovations that I've needed to do, painting and redo the kitchen. I'm redoing my master bedroom, things like that. I typically commute an hour to and from work, so staying home has saved a ton of money in gas, wear and tear, so I've definitely enjoyed that as well. And then with the extra time, I've just kind of used it towards a lot of different things I need to fix up with the house. So that's definitely something that I have enjoyed the most. I will be announcing the winner of this $10 gift card on Wednesday in my Walgreens ad preview. So make sure you double check my account on Wednesday, get on the channel and check out that video so you can see if you are the lucky winner. So now let's get into the spend 20, get 10 times everyday point scenario. So the one scenario that I quickly went over with you is for the Secret and Old Spice deodorant. A separate scenario for you is a little bit more well-rounded. What you can do is pick up 2 of the Colgate, $5.98 for both, 3 of the nice storage bags, $2.79, because remember, those are buy one, get 2 free. 1 of the Snuggle Scent Booster, or you could do the all detergent, whichever one you want. 1 or 2 of the Rimmel eye products. The scenario that I showed you, the total is $12.28. So total for all these products is $24.53. Now, the reason why I went over so much is because we have that IVC coupon for $4 off to Rimmel. Now the total is $20.53, plus taxes, of course. And this is the final breakdown. So your total after the IVC coupons again is $20.53. Coupons are going to total $7.50. You're going to be left to pay $13.03. You can use points to pay for that plus the taxes. You can also use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're going to get back 2,000 points from the spend booster, probably a little more. I just don't know all the exact calculations because you're spending 24 something. You will get back a little bit more than 2,000 points. And a $5 register reward from the Colgate. So your final cost is going to be $6.03 plus taxes for 8 items, or about 75 cents per item. So definitely a great deal. Of course, there are a ton of scenarios. I will be posting a separate video for all the food deals going on at Walgreens. That way, if you want to use the spend booster on just food deals, if you need to pick up some essentials, you guys can do that as well. If you guys have any questions, of course, just drop a comment, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.